Today we are in William Island in Aventura, Florida. We are checking an Azimut 55 feet with my summer student of the course of corrosion, and we are going to do a great survey about the condition of the bonding connection and the electrical connection in this Azimut 55S. Number one, we are going to start checking the condition of the pedestal. This is the pedestal. We are going to verify basically in the pedestal if the ground is good. How we are going to check that? We are going to take measurements about the reading in between hot and neutral, and about the reading in between hot and ground. If that difference is more than 2 volts, probably the ground is not good. Okay, this is the pedestal, and also in this single outlet we are going to use the sure test, and we are going to verify if the condition of the lines and reverse polarity issues. Okay, this is the short power cable, and we are going to start. Number one, always when you check short power cable, touch the cable and touch the breaker, the temperature of the breaker. This outlet is, in my opinion, too hot. You want to touch that one?
Yeah, it's a little warm up there.
It's a little warm. Can you touch? You see? You see? That's an indication that yeah, you feel? Yeah. Okay, this is number one. We are going to check. Can we remove the power on the chart?
Yeah.
That.
And you just go left and out. It's stuck.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's actually this that's the problem.
Yeah.
It's tighter than ever before. Wow.
Need a little bit of kale ranch.
Yeah.
Thank you. Never been.
Always is hard.
No, he said it's never been like
No,
this.
it's never been so tight.
All right.
Got some grease in my truck.
Okay.
The electric might help that.
That's the ground. Yeah, probably. Okay. And number one.
Doesn't even look round, you know. Right here,
Number one.
Damage a little bit.
I can't see the screen. Oh, there.
Okay. We are going to check voltage. $120 in between hot and ground, and $120 in between hot and neutral. That indicates that the ground in this pedestal is in great condition. The pedestal by itself is the service is not good, but the connections are great. The ground is in good condition. We are going to check with the sure test the situation, but
I think that's broken.
it's broken, the outlet. Let me check probably in the other side. We have another. No, we don't have here.
You don't have one?
Only that one. You see the
Yeah, this is up. I gotta reset it.
yeah, but it's damaged.
The other side works?
Yeah.
It's none on the other side.
All right, we are going to put them back. And we are going to check with the sure test inside of the
Inside the
boat.
boat.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, most people don't.
Let's go. Okay guys, this is the engine room. It's with a couple of Volvo Penta. We are going to try to identify where is the bonding conductor, Captain Lurie.
Looking.
Nothing?
No, look on the right side, just above the engine on the wall, see if you see one. I have
Here's
the
green right
seafair
here.
over here. And
It's right here.
You got it? Yeah, it should be.
We have a bonding here.
Got it.
We have a bonding here. Can you check through?
Yeah.
This is the bonding conductor and loose in good condition, no?
We got replaced too.
Okay, we are going to take a couple of measurements here on the bonding conductor.
All right, all right. Thank you. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, look at this other point of a bonding conductor. Look, you see? Probably the external seam is located over there. Okay, that's right. That's the point.
Yeah.
What the external seam and the conductor is over there. And we have a connector in between the bonding conductor here to the sink.
Correct.
This is great. I think that everything inside of the boat is properly connected. We are going to check with the silver chlorine electrode. We are going to suspend the silver chlorine electrode. Captain, can you do that? You suspended the electrode over there. You record him, and after that we are going to take measurements.
Okay.
All right. Great.
I'm going to put the silver chlorine in the water now.
Just a few feet in there, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you
as
don't
long
want
as
it-
doesn't
you don't
touch
want it
the
on the
bottom and away from the boat.
Let me show to you something. It's about the condition of the bonding conductor. Is in great condition, and the bonding conductor is connected over there with the sinks. The sinks are connected with that bulb externally. The boat is in great condition. Look at the condition of the engine. A little corrosion in some, for example, in this C strainer, but I think that in general the bonding looks nice. We are going to take some measurements about this condition. Okay, we are going to connect our multimeter in DC. We are going to replace the negative of my multimeter for the silver chlorine electrode. This is the connection of the silver chlorine electrode, and now I am going to take measurements in between different metals and the external bonding conductor. Minus 0.8, this is good. Remember that the reading should be in minus 0.7 and minus 0.96. It's good. Let me check here in this connector. Minus 0.87 is great. Let me check in the bonding conductor. The bonding conductor by itself, minus 0.87. This boat is well protected. Let me check the transmission. 0.873. That's great. I am surprised. It's good. Let me check on the frame. That frame is not. Is completely isolated. It's on the carbon fiber. It's completely isolated. That's why they don't bond it. It's better that they bond it because the corrosion starts in this point. Okay, let me check the block. Let me check the motor mounts. Minus 0.879. It's okay. It's okay. This boat is in great condition. Let me check this pump. Minus 0.87. That's good. That's good. Let me check, for example, this frame. This frame looks corroded over there, you see? But it's protected. Probably the material is not a marine grade. those bolts are not marine grade, but the connection is good.
Also, right above the hatch could be some water dripping.
Yeah, a lot of water. That's correct. This is we have a lot of humidity over there. But the bonding in this boat is in great condition. Great condition. Thank you, guys. Can you say to them that a couple of guys came here, please?
Yes.
Okay, guys. Those are the galvanic isolators. If you see, because this boat have 2 outlets, we have 2 galvanic isolators. And the capacity of this galvanic isolator, sorry, I can see is let me check. Is 60 amps. 60 amps, 2 galvanic isolators. According with the readings, they are in good condition. This is the shore power cable. This is the main box coming from the pedestal, and after that enter in this barrel. And this is the barrel where this is the puller for the shore power cable. The shore power cable enter over there, as you can see. Okay, yes, the galvanic isolator are in great condition, 60 amp each one. Great, thank you. Okay, guys, now we are going to check with the sure test. Okay, look at this. Hot, neutral, and ground are in great condition. The voltage in between hot and neutral is 120 volts. The voltage drop is 8%. 10% is acceptable, is good. We have 15 amps available in this outlet. Is the capacity. Oh, look at this. This is the leak of current in this system, 0.001. It's perfect. You remember in the book, what is the maximum? 0.001. The resistance is 0.39 ohms, and the maximum should be 1.2. Is perfect. Once again, hot, neutral, and ground in great condition. This is an indication that the wiring in this boat, the bonding in this boat, are in great condition. Excellent boat, excellent wiring, excellent example for our students about how to test a boat using the sure test, using the silver chloride electrode, and checking the measurements in any metallic part inside of the boat.